Happy Monday, second grade. Hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. Yeah. Anyone do anything fun? Great, great. Good to hear that. Yeah, we got another 5-day week together. Do some exciting math. We'll keep working with some number lines, do some addition, subtraction, things like that today. So let's get started. We're gonna bring our ruler out and count up by 10. Now, yesterday we were counting up just at our 10 numbers, right? 10, 20, 30, all the way to 1 meter, and then 1 meter, 10 centimeters, 1 meter, 20 centimeters. Today we're going to do something a little bit differently, and we're going to count with our 5. Okay, so after 5 centimeters, we do 10 more, and we get 15 centimeters. Then 10 more, 25 centimeters. Next one is 35 centimeters. Okay, let's keep going. 45 centimeters, 55 centimeters. Okay, back down to 45 centimeters, 35 centimeters. Okay, back up, 45 centimeters, 55 centimeters, 65 centimeters, 75 centimeters, back down to 65 centimeters. Okay, up, 75 centimeters, 85 centimeters, 95 centimeters, down, 85 centimeters, 75 centimeters, now up, 85 centimeters, 95 centimeters. Next, we do 1 meter, 5 centimeters. Great work. 1 meter, 15 centimeters. Okay. 1 meter, 25 centimeters. Let's go down. 1 meter, 15 centimeters. Down one more. 1 meter, 5 centimeters. Okay, now up. 1 meter, 15 centimeters. 1 meter, 25 centimeters. 1 meter, 35 centimeters. And last one, 1 meter, 45 centimeters. Great job, second grade. Okay, our next activity, something we did before, is to make the next 10. Okay, remember this one? So I'm starting with the number 6, right? And the question is, what is our next 10 if I have the number 6? Okay, raise your hand if you know. Okay, good. I'm seeing some hands. Great. Yeah, the next 10 is just 10 after 6. So if I have one, two, three, four, 5, 6 already, how many more do I need to make 10? Raise your hand if you know. Good, good, good. Loving all the hands. Great job, second grade. I just need 4 more, right? So I can say 6 plus 4 equals 10. All right, I'm going to start calling on you. I have 26. That's my next number, 26. What is my next 10? Maya, what's my next 10? Yeah, 30, right? 30 is my next 10 number. Okay, now, Jackie, how many more do I need to get from 26 to 30? How many more ones do I need? Yeah, 27, 28, 29, 30, right? I need 4 more. So I can say 26 plus 4 equals 30. Next one is 46. Christopher. Yeah, Christopher. What's the next 10 after 46? Great. Yeah, 50, right? 50 is my next 10 after 46. How many more do I need after 46 to get to 50? Frida, how many more do I need, Frida, to get from 46 to 50? Yeah, 47, 48, 49, 50. I need 4 more. Good job. So 46 plus 4 equals 50. All right, next one. Valerie. Yes, Valerie. Hi. I have 76. What's my next 10 after 76? Absolutely, right? Our next 10 is 80. And how many more do I need to get from 76 to 80? Gabriel, how many more do I need? Yeah, I need 4 more, right? Because 76 plus 4, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80 gives me, right? 4 gives me 80. Good job. Okay, different number now. I'm starting with 4. My next 10, yeah, is 10. So if I have 4 already, how many more do I need to get to 10? Raise your hand if you know. Okay, we're going to say it together. How many more do we need, everyone? Yeah, we need 6 more, right? Very good. And you can think of this as the commutative property, right? The PB&J, we just switched it over. You can say 4 plus 6 equals 10, because if you remember, 6 plus 4 equals 10 also. Okay, now 24. What's my next 10 after 24? Allison H. Good job, Allison. Yeah, 30 is my next 10 after 24. Okay, now if I'm going from 24 to 30, how many more is that? How many do I need to get to 30? Didi? Yeah, 6, right? We can count together from 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, right? That's 6. So 24 plus 6 equals 30. Okay, Deliza, I have 54. What's my next 10, Deliza? Yeah, 60, right? And how many more do I need from 54 to get to 60? Let's see, Clebin, how many more do I need? Yeah, 6 more. 54 plus 6 equals 60. Last one, 94. This is a tough one. Salvador, what's my next 10, Salvador, after 94? Yeah, exactly, right? Because after 90 is 100, right? The next 10 is 100. Now, how many more do I need after 94 to get to 100? Emilia, how many more is that? Yeah, right? I need 6 more. 94 plus 6 gives me that big 100 number. Okay. So today, right, we're going to talk about some subtraction. And if I first ask you, right, what's 76 minus 2? We can just count backwards, right? We start at 76 and count backwards to 75, 74, right? We count 2 times to get to 74, right? Because I also know that 6 minus 2 equals 4. If I have 6 and take 1, 2 away, I'm left with 4 of them. But what if we do something a little bit more challenging, like 76 minus 8? I want you to think about that one for a second. What is 76 minus 8? So think for a second, think for a second. Right, I might be counting backwards in my head. Because 6 minus 8 is a little bit hard, right? And if I start counting back, it's a little bit challenging. So let's see. Twyla, what did you get? Okay. Angel, what was 76 minus 8? Shanti, how about you? 76 minus 8. Yeah, so we can do this together. 76, right? We can count backwards. 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70. And then before 70 is right, 69, 68. right? So 76 minus 8 is 68. It's a little bit hard though. Or even if we did a number like 54 minus 6, it's a little bit challenging, right? So we can use our number lines from yesterday to really help us out. Now, I asked this question to two imaginary students, right? And they solved this problem in two different ways, right? So our problem was 54 minus 6. Let's see how they solved it. So our first student, right, is Beth. And I asked Beth, what's 54 minus 6? And here's how she solved it. All right, we can see the number line, right, starting with 54. Ooh, right, she made a big jump back to 50 because she knows there's 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 50 is 50 plus 4. Said 4, 5, 6, and she stopped at 48. So Beth says 54 minus 6 is 4, 5, 6. Now let's see what Lee did. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And he also stopped at 48. Right? We see that they got the same answer. But did they solve it in the same way? No, right? They kind of solved it differently. Beth did 4, 5, 6 because she used this big 10 number, 50, to help her out. And Lee did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who likes to solve it like Beth? Raise your hand if you think Beth's way is cooler. Uh-huh. Who wants to solve it with Lee? Yeah. Both ways are absolutely correct because you get the right answer, right? You can solve it in different ways. But who did this faster? Who do you think did it faster? Let's see. Okay, Beth's done. And now Lee's finished. Right? So Beth's way was a little bit faster because she used this 10 number to help her out. Right? So we can definitely do both ways today as we do some subtraction. But I wanted to show you all, right, that there's sometimes like a shortcut that you can use if you use your 10 numbers to help you out. You can definitely solve it like Lee or like Beth. Both is correct, right? But just, it's up to you. Okay, so let's get a little bit of practice together. So please get your workbooks out and open to page 87. And 87 looks like this. Like this. All right, give you a couple more seconds to open up to page 87. Perfect. Great, great, great. We ready? All right. So first, right, we're going to start just like yesterday by finding 68. So I'll find 68. So I know that it's 8 after 60. Or it's 2 before 70, right? 69, 68. I'm going to start by drawing a dot right here at 68. Now I'm going to count backwards 8 times. We can solve it Lee's way first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, make sure you're doing this with me 8 times, right? And I stopped at 60. Great, so 68 minus 8 is equal to 60. Now, let's try solving it Beth's way. I know that from 60 to 68 is 8, right? Because 68 is the same as 60 and 8. So Beth solved it just like this. Now, this doesn't mean that 68 minus 1 is equal to 60, right? Because she did a big jump. And this big jump was minus 8. So 68 minus 8 is at 60. This first way, right, we did minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 8 times. We still get the same exact answer of 60. Okay, now let's look at number 2. 68 minus 9. Okay, so again, we're going to start at 68. Let's first solve it Lee's way. Okay, so we're going to do minus 9. So we're going to go to the left 9 times. We're going to go smaller, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What number is this? What's 1 before 60? I know that's 59. Or I can also count from 50, right? 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. But this is a lot quicker. So I know that 68 minus 9 is 59. Now, what if we solved it Beth's way? Right? I know that I can go all the way back to 60. That's 8, right? And I still need 9, so I need one more. Back to 59. So it's 8, 9. This way's a little bit quicker, right, than going one at a time. But we get to the same answer each way. Hence, when we're solving problems today, it's totally up to you which way you want to solve it, right? You can decide. That's the awesome thing about math, right? You can solve it so many different ways and you can still get the right answer. Now let's turn to the next page. Page 88. And here's a couple problems. 75 minus 6 and 77 minus 9. Let's take about 5 minutes, and I want you to solve both these problems, right? And you can solve it either Beth's way or Lee's way. Maybe you can try solving both if you finish early and see if you get the same answer. Okay, go ahead, get to work, please. Make sure we're working quietly so our friends can stay focused. All right, so let's see. Let's start with number 3, 75 minus 6. I'm going to start by finding 75. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, that's 75. I might even draw 75 right here. Minus 6. Raise your hand if you solved it Lee's way, one at a time. Yeah, okay, that's good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This number, that's 69, right? 75 minus 6 is 69. Good work. Raise your hand if you solved it Beth's way. Awesome. Good, good, good. All right, I'm glad you tried that one out too. So if I were doing Beth's way, I'd go all the way back to 70, which is minus 5, right? Because 70 or 75 is 70 and 5. So I can take this 5 away first and then do one more. 5, 6. And you'd also get 69. It's like a shortcut, right? Okay, number 4, 77 minus 9. So I'm going to start by finding 77. I could count like this, or I know that from 80, it's 79, 78, 77. And then minus 9. Right? I can go one at a time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this should be 68. Or I can go all the way back down to 70, which is 7, and then 8, 9. So it's 7, 8, 9, right? The shortcut way. And I still end with that same number, 68. Now, again, you can solve this any way you want. Either way is good, right? But even better idea is maybe to solve it both ways and see if you get the same answer. See if you're correct, right? If you try that shortcut, maybe you can double check your work by also going one at a time and see if it's good. So your SIP ticket today is on page 89, and it's going to have you do 63 minus 8. I want to see your answer here, and I also want to see you using the number line. You can solve it any way you want. You can solve it both ways if you want, right? If you have extra time. Okay, second grade, good luck with those exit tickets. Make sure that we're writing our name, right? Working quietly, staying focused, right? And raise your hand when you're finished so that your teacher can come check and collect your work. All right, and I will see you all for another fun video tomorrow. Bye.